Okay, Fort Madison. Is it Randy? You're the one that made me do this? I don't know whose idea it was, but here they are. See? I don't play when it comes to cookies. If I say I'm going to make them, I'm going to make them. And there they are. They look really good. They're still too warm, but I wish I could share them with you. Maybe I'll leave some in the lounge, and y'all can get little virtual Toll House cookies while I eat the real ones. Sorry. Gosh, I wish I could share. I have so many cookies, you have no idea. Okay, wait a minute. You want to see the rest of the cookies I got? Okay, wait, let's just look over here. Look. Did I say I made cookies? I made cookies. Got a little fruit there. So yeah, I'm on a binge here. So I wish I could share these with you. Merry Christmas, everybody.